Everybody has dealt with a wobbly trailer hitch at some point. Today, we're gonna fix that. Alright, here's my parts. That should be about it. These were cut out of 1-inch angle, some scrap stuff. It was a bent piece, so I took these all off the end that was bent. And classic fashion, I'm a carpenter, so I'm gonna use some carriage bolts that I have laying around. I want to make 2 hitch tighteners, so hopefully 1, 2. So I'm going to take one of these over to my trailer hitch, mark a couple spots where I think I want to drill out, and start drilling. All 4 should be drilled the same, so once I get one, that'll pattern it for the other ones. Should go pretty quick. Clean this up and see how well it accepts one of those carriage bolts. That's pretty good. That holds the square part of the bolt a little bit, which I wanted, so I can tighten this down easier. Alright, here we go. See what we can do here. Fits pretty well. I just don't know if I'm going to have enough angle. Well, if I go that way, that does give me more play. That is pretty dang solid. I like it. Alright, I got my rack installed. Got the hitch tightener on. It's nice and tight. You can't really see from up top. Let's get you down below. There you go, you can kind of see it. Grabs the top and pulls the hitch up underneath, tightens it up. That's about it. Alright guys, thanks for following along while I made my homemade hitch tightener. I got other things to do. Got to go pick up some more parts for the Jeep so I can get it in order and go wheeling this weekend. So I will see you guys in the next one.